Oh, and I changed hostels today, and look what this says. I think that's good enough for the quote of the day. Cześć, dzień dobry. Hope you're doing great today. Kind of had like a little mini hostel dream yesterday. Just had the entire room of my hostel. You could have come if you wanted to sleep here. I had like an extra 9 beds here. But today, not sure what the plan is. I just have these on my eyes because I look really tired. That's why, not trying to be cool or anything. But it's a beautiful day outside. I have like a lot of things to do non-vlogging wise, and as far as vlogging wise, I'm not sure what the plan is today, but if the sun stays out, hopefully walk around, see a little bit more of Warsaw. A lot of people are saying, Luke, you always see the same places. And I was just reading that like 3 or 4 times in comments, and it wasn't from you, but people said it, and I was like, well, I like doing those kind of things. If I like walking around the center 1,000 times for 1,000 days in a row, it's what I like doing. And I told someone like I wasn't gonna change the way that I walk or the way that I go to my favorite cafe or just anything just to film, you know. I know you understand that, but someone said that, and it kind of rubbed me the wrong way. I just thought I'd mention it here. But like I say, beautiful day. Beautiful day in Warsaw. Checking out of this hostel, have to change. They don't have any more rooms. And I don't stay here too much. Cause my friends work here, so I say hi, stay here for a night and go. But yeah, Warsaw, Poland, love it. Happy to be here. Beautiful day. Let's go. Okay, checked out of the hostel. By the way, patchwork hostel. You guys need to stay there. If you stay there, tell them Luke sent you. Hopefully they'll treat you better. But right now, the sun is out, sunny day. I have a little bit of work to do before I explore the city. But yeah, guys, check out Patchwork Hostel. Really, really nice people there. And now I have no idea. Okay, and it's kind of, well, I think every country I develop some kind of routine, and I've realized here in Warsaw, or here in Poland, my kind of routine, what I do in the mornings, I know there's someone, maybe you're a little bit interested, I usually get like one or two sports drinks and a water with me, because it's so hot like this. I realize I need the electrolytes from the sports drink to start the day off, then water throughout the day. That way when it gets around 4, 5 o'clock, you're not like, I guess I said that whole thing earlier about how, you know, when someone's like, oh, why are you taking the same route? Take a different way to go there and all this kind of stuff. I think I said all that, and I guess the main point of that, which I really want to stress to you guys, is just because I don't forget, and I haven't forgotten. I haven't forgotten what it was like when I first started on YouTube and nobody was watching. I think about this because I'm stopped by so many people, or a lot of you guys will stop me and say hello, and you talk about you guys were thinking of starting a channel, but you're worried about what people think. Like, I remember in the beginning, like, I was like, it was hard, you know, because you want people to watch, so you feel like you have to do what people want you to do. If people say, oh, you should go there, you should go there. So you end up just doing what they want you to do. You're never doing what you actually really want to do. And I think that was a big thing that really kind of hurt me in the beginning when I first started. And that's one of the things that kind of hurt me, and it kind of wore me down. And I was feeling like work. I felt like, well, everyone says I have to go to this place, so I have to go to this place. And it's like, you kind of get to that next level where you're like, well, you got to do it the way you want to do, because people come there for you. People come there to watch you and see what you have to do. And if you start doing what other people want you to do, you're kind of, that's like work. And that's, no, Long story short, guys, do the things that are true to you, the things that you like, the things that you enjoy doing. If you love going to a city and walking around the center in a circle for 1,000 times a day, then do that. The people who like that will adapt to it and they'll do the same thing. And I think that that's the lesson of the day. Man, just finished solid production working, very productive morning, early afternoon working. Now off to, and I must say for the record, I kind of had a little things planned, but with this heat outside, I think today is more of like an inside day. But kind of on that note, it got me thinking of something that I forgot, which is probably one of the most, other than passport and money, it's one of the most important things that I carry when I travel. I lost it, paid the price yesterday. It's not happening again. I need to get another one. Okay, one place was a fail. I thought I could get like a better, cheaper one in TK Maxx, but I think I'm gonna have to go to. I know, I'm not talking about this. This is just like a snack, little Polish treats. I'm not talking about this. I'm still heading there to the place. I love how I blend in everywhere I go. And it's funny because I'm here just off the terrace and people always asking me like why do I always come here? It's always in the vlog. The real reason why I always come here is because I guess I know sometimes people know I come here, and every time I'm here, I always run into you guys here. And I think that's kind of that's one of the main reasons I come here now. Before, it used to be a place where I would just walk around. I had like a little tradition. I'd walk around 1 or 2 laps. I'd walk around each floor once. That was my tradition because it gave me peace of mind. But now, since people know I'm here, it doesn't give me so much peace of mind. I got new places for that. Now it's just to run into you guys like always. Okay, so got the power bank charger. I realize this thing is so important when you're traveling. I say it's the most important thing when you're traveling because it saves you time. Like, I lost so much time yesterday because the camera was dying, phone was dying. I had to end up doing, because life happens. You go out, you forget to charge your phone, or to tell you guys, I'm staying in hostels. I do not advise people leaving their stuff charging overnight in hostels if it's not close to your bed. So this thing, not having one yesterday, I lost a lot of time filming. It will not happen again. If I have to have one thing for you guys to take with you when you guys are traveling, get a power bank. I guess you can't see it. Get yourself a power bank charger. It will save you time, save you stress. And one of the hacks with these, one thing you can do is for example, if your phone's dying and this is dead, what you do is when you're going around, you stop in a coffee shop or restaurant, wherever have you, you go there, you ask them to charge this thing, you leave it while you walk around town for an hour, 2 hours, you come back, it's charged. If someone were to steal it, you'd be fine, it's okay, you're out of 20, 30 bucks. You're not out of a cell phone like if you left your cell phone charging. This thing, most important thing when you're traveling. I guess now I can actually feel better about posting this vlog because I've done absolutely nothing today, but that's a little bit of value for you guys. Now, so like the coffee meeting turned out to be like a walking meeting, so I'll just bring you guys along to check out another side of Warsaw that I've actually never even been to. peaceful kind of evenings. And days like today, I really realize how big Warsaw is and how little I've seen of it. Like, just discovered this new park that I've been walking through, and it's just like wow. But finishing up the meeting in a little bit, we'll spin. Okay, so it is probably 3 hours later. Well, first of all, I just want to say meeting went great, but it is amazing how little I knew how little I know about Warsaw. Like, it is huge, beautiful. Like, I'm literally discovering new places, new parks. Like, this is super, man, I'm actually literally shocked. Like, I thought I knew where some of the best places were, and I've just been going, I don't know if you guys know where I am at all, close to Old Town is that way, discovering so many new places. Like, I'll show you soon, but it's been like, wow, nice day of exploring. But it is close to almost 9 o'clock, and there's somewhere I have to go today that maybe you guys remember from before. Okay, just leaving that event now, going to that jazz thing, it's so inspiring, it's so chill and relaxed. It's one thing that I really love doing, listening to jazz. But seeing all those people, it just reminds me of how many of you all out there have talents. Like, you have talents, and if you just put it on the right stage and had the right person hear it, it could just completely change your life, you know? And I feel like, actually, this is a better view of the Palace of Culture and Science. And I feel like if you just have a passion, you gotta go up there. Whether you're scared, I knew some people there, they went up on stage regardless, people love them, and that gives you the confidence to move to the next level. And I think that going to places like that and seeing people with that passion is just something that's so powerful. Hey! It's something that's so powerful. So if there's one thing I can tell you guys is, don't be fearful, just go for it. Don't be scared to show your talents. If the right person sees, they can absolutely change your life. And on that note, I'm going to bid you guys good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. And I'll talk to you guys all later. And everyone always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile. Ciao.